Hi guys, we've just arrived at Ingleton Falls Trail. So we're going to go for a little walk around. We're just having a look at part of the river at the minute. It's a nice warm day, everything's okay. And just look at this rock face through the trees. I don't know if you can see it there. It's really pretty. Okay, so now we've got to cross the river over a little bridge. Those of you who know me will know that me and water, with it going underneath me, does not go very well. Okay guys, I'm out of breath now. We've been walking for quite a while. No idea how long or how high up we are right now. But we found a waterfall. So here you go, have a look at that. Right, well I've got another viewing platform at some more waterfalls. Don't ask me what they're all called because I don't know. We're just at Ingleton Fell Walks Waterfall Trail, and it's a hard trail, yes, but I must admit it's very beautiful when you get up here. It's worth it even though it is hard going. Let's have a look at this, guys. So look at it from this side as well, guys. I say not the easiest trail, especially with asthma, but it is worth it if you can get up here. Ingleton Waterfalls Trails, well worth a visit. If you get time to come up here, please do so. Going to move on and go a bit higher up. I've got quite a long way to go yet. All the way up there. Alright, better crack on. See you in a bit. Guys, I see and hear water. This could be the main event over here. Oops. Sorry, I nearly fell over them. Right, there you go, guys. This is where we've come to see. Okay, so ice cream van halfway up a mountain. So I guess we'll probably be about halfway or just over halfway around this walk at the moment. We're being rewarded with some really lovely views though, so we can't complain too much. There's quite a few out here. I'll have a little look round. Found them. Okay, for refreshment stops anyway, aren't we? So. Oh, okay. Beasley Falls.
Look, it's gone market.
Yeah, he has.
It's refreshed as to come down.
Quite warm out here now. There's some really nice scenery. Really good views. Right, there we go guys, we've come through most of that countryside that I let you have a look at not long ago, and we've come to some more rapidly running water and waterfalls, so let's have a little look round. Just come down here with us, I'll try and keep you as steady as I can. There we go. You'll see that. And I must say that I do like the sound of the water. I don't know about you guys, but it's relaxing. Anyway, must keep moving. Catch you all in a bit. Oh yeah, they are fuchsias, yeah. Well, I think we finally made it out the trail. How long later? About 4 hours? 4.5 hours maybe? And as we have now hit Ingleton village, and we've come out to the end of the trail, it's now time to go and find the car and head back home. See you later guys.